Welcome to Berry Beds. In the forest soft and green lives a fox so bright, so keen, golden fur and twinkling eyes, watching dawn paint up the skies. She yawns and stretches tail so wide, birds come chirping by her side. Good morning, friends, she calls with glee, I'm off to see what's new to see. Through the bushes, over streams, Foxy walks in glowing dreams. Butterflies flutter pink and blue, flowers sparkle with morning dew.
A squirrel waves from an old oak tree. Hello, Foxy, come race with me. They run and jump through leaves so high,
Laughing echoes fill the sky. Then from a cave, a sound so deep, a baby bear wakes from his sleep. He blinks his eyes and softly says, Foxy, join my honey may. Together they wander side by side, finding honey where bees hide. They share a laugh so pure, so bright, as sunlight turns to golden light. Evening comes, the forest glows, stars peek out, the moonlight flows. Foxy whispers soft and slow, thank you friends, it's time to go. She curls beneath her favorite tree, dreaming sweetly, peacefully. The forest hums a lullaby tune. Good night, Foxy, see you soon.
Please like, share, subscribe.